Welcome to the program on cross-docking. Cross-docking is one of the distribution logistics strategy used mainly in a distributor retailer environment for connecting incoming goods to outgoing vehicle. So here we can consider cross-docking as a platform where you are going to receive the supplies from various supplier, and then there is some form of a mixing or value addition takes place here in this cross-docking. Then we are going to connect with the outgoing vehicles. So what happens in cross-docking is some form of a consolidation so that overall transportation cost is reduced. In the traditional nature, if anyone wants a product from various vendors, then frequent trips may be required because the volume may be small and supply may be spread across the geography. But cross-docking provides a means in which all these products are bought in a consolidated way and they are debundled or put in a specific format so that it reaches various customers in their required format. So here there are various aspects including what type of layout should be used, the shape of the cross-docking station, the location of cross-docking. All this becomes important, and also various ways in which this cross-docking can function. For example, there are types and classification, whether one stage or multiple stage, single touch or multiple touch. In overall, there are a lot of benefits by using cross-docking. Mainly it can come in two categories. For example, time, and second one is a cost. We are going to reduce the overall time as well as reduce the cost. Overall, you will see that inventory is going to be minimized in this situation, and accordingly inventory holding cost is also going to come down. By opting for this cross-docking, we are going to delight the customer by offering the required service in lesser time and lesser cost. But we should understand that this cross-docking is not applicable across all the products and all the situation. So we need to study what are the appropriateness of cross-docking for a particular product, and there are various analytical work has to be done before this can be executed. For example, warehouse optimization must be taken into account, routing optimization. In fact, cross-docking is a part of overall supply chain network. So we need to understand the system-wide cost and flow. Also try to see how to manage the supply with the demand so that overall conditions are met. We also need to understand what kind of IT tools need to be used, whether it is a WMS, warehouse management system, TMS, transportation management system, YMS, yard management system, and other related IT tools, possibly ASN, advanced shipping notice, or RFID. This mechanism we need to understand. Also the kind of operation we are going to do it. There are also dock door sequencing problems. Some knowledge of programming, modeling, experimentation is also required to find an optimized solution. We try to provide a condensed overview of cross-docking so that you will have a clear idea on what is cross-docking and how to do it. Thanks for watching. Request you to enroll for the program. Have a nice day. Bye.